What's up guys, welcome back to Static Works. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to change your manual transmission fluid on your E46. Before we begin, I just want to let you guys know, when it comes to changing the transmission fluid on the manuals, it is a lot different from the automatics. This only requires 2 quarts while the automatics require a lot more, and it might be different from other vehicles, so just letting you guys know, it might not be the same for your car unless it's an E46 5-speed.
There's like no space in there.
What are you doing?
The fucking pull. That's the word I'm trying to.
What are you doing?
Damn. Why'd you guys put it like right in the middle where we work?
I think we should try to take out that fill bolt first, because what if we can take out the bottom one and then we can't fill it up?
Yeah, that'll suck.
So the only problem that we're having right now with the car jacked up and everything is that there's not enough room. So Martin's trying to fit under there because I can't.
Because he's scared?
Because I'm scared.
Oh, fucking pull.
I'm not scared, I'll do it right now. Bet. This is gonna be the drain bowl. As you can see, it's covered with oil because my car does leak oil. But it's gonna be right there in that spot. And that's gonna be the drain bowl. And then there's the one on the side. I'm gonna have Martin try to get it for you guys. So that's gonna be the fill bolt. Martin's holding it for his dear life. It might not be in focus, but that's gonna be the fill bolt that you're gonna have to use a pump.
We've been trying for the past 15 minutes to get the fill bolt out. Danny actually had a good idea. Try to take that off first before we drain it, because if we can't take that off, he's fucked. Can't take it off. At this angle, it's like almost impossible, and I'm skinny. I don't have a lot of muscles right now. So we tried to heat it up with the heat gun, hopefully to try to expand where the bolt is attached to. It didn't work. Last try, and if not, Daddy's gonna have to try. Jesus, take the wheel. You need my leg? Leverage.
You need 2 arms, bro.
Oh, I got it.
You got it?
I'm awesome.
Shut up, you got it?
Shut up. I'm tired.
You got it? Did you really get it?
Yeah, it loosened. Once you break it, it's easy without jumping before that.
So if you guys didn't know or don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, at staticdanny, we finally got coilovers. Or we ordered coilovers for the E46. Well, I ordered coilovers. I ordered coilovers for the E46. So hopefully this should come in time, because that'll probably be like 2 videos from this.
2 videos?
So they are gonna come in from like 2 videos from this. So probably like a week after this upload, which is gonna be on Sunday. And yeah, so we're just trying to get all the maintenance done before we actually start modding it. It does leak oil, so that's something that we might take it back to the shop to find out where it's at. I think it's the oil pan, because we're trying to locate it, but I mean it's everywhere. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this thing done, and then should be good. For anyone wondering, I am using the Redline gear oil, the MT90. I got it at a local shop for like 16 bucks a quart. We only need 2 quarts for this. Redline is pretty much everything I use. Besides engine oil on this, I use Castrol for now, but I am gonna switch to Redline because I do use it in my G, and they're probably one of the best when it comes to engine oils, just because on the engine oils they do offer ZDDP, and if you guys don't know what that is, it's an additive that they don't put in oils anymore because it involves roller cams and all this complicated stuff. But yeah, it's really good, and I definitely recommend you getting it. What's this?
Street car.
What is that?
Oh, I got
what do you have on your nose, bro?
That's from working hard. Men get dirty sometimes.
Oh, oh, no, no.
A little bit. My hand. They say it's alright, but it's not alright.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get it.
For the E46, BMW claims that the manual transmission fluid is lifelong, meaning you do not have to replace it, but when you're banging through gears, you have to replace it. So that's why we're replacing it, and the oil doesn't actually look that bad according to Martin. It's supposed to be red, but it does look like light brown.
Yeah, kind of like a fresh oil. I don't know, we found some gold in there. I think we hit the jackpot. It's a gold mine. No, it's like little metal flakes, just it's normal wear and tear. I mean, hopefully. It doesn't seem like there's a lot. I'm gonna plug this back up, clean it up, look in the bucket if there's not too much. It could just be from when they first broke it in, when it was brand new. It might be normal.
I mean, it does have 130,000 miles, so you got to think about it that way.
It's not that bad, but we have to check the bucket. It's like when they change your car at 5,000 miles, when you require it the first change. If you do it yourself, you might see a little bit of metal just because it's breaking in. It could be that. I mean, it's my guess.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, but we'll see right now. Might cause cancer if I put my finger in here, but I'm gonna show you. It looks dirty in the bucket, but as you can tell,
stop.
I mean, it doesn't look like it's not that bad for the mileage.
What are you doing? Hey. Why are you doing this?
For the viewers. It's not for my safety. Look at it. Safe.
This is why you care about YouTube, huh? Don't wait to fuck it.
I'm tired. All right, now that that's tightened, we're gonna have Danny do something.
What?
We're gonna have Danny do something for once. He's gonna fill it from right here on the side. I don't know if we'll be able to record.
Yeah, he should be able to record from here, but we're not gonna be able to actually show you the hole.
So we're gonna show you how we're gonna fill it. He has a little pump that's meant for stuff like this.
This is what we're gonna be using. It's pretty much a multi-use transfer pump. It's gonna be the pump that we're gonna be using, and right here it's pretty self-explanatory. It says in, and that's gonna be the fluid going in, the red line, and then out, which it's gonna actually go inside the fill.
Prius.
It's gonna go inside the fill hole, and once it starts coming back out, that's when we know that it's actually full. So I'm gonna do that real quick and show you guys. You guys are gonna be seeing it from the front end. You might not be able to see the fill hole, so I apologize, but I'll have the full tutorial down in the description. We're gonna be putting the out inside the fill hole, which I hope it's this one. Yeah. And we're gonna be putting a rag under here because it is gonna overflow. And then we're gonna be putting the, I can't even reach.
I told you it sucks.
We're gonna put in the front, this one.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
As you can see, I'm pumping. Oh,
It came off.
oh,
Put it back in there.
oh, which one? Oh,
It's right there, hurry.
oh, oh. Now that we have everything filled up, we're just gonna have to jack it down and we're gonna drive it. We didn't really do it correctly because it's supposed to be actually planted like evenly, and we have the front lifted a little bit up, so we only used about like a quart and a half to fill it up because we didn't want to fill it up too much because there still might be some dirty oil left in there. But we'll see if it really made a difference inside the car, which is gonna be right now. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Works. It's been about like 10 minutes. I've been driving it around a little bit, but we're gonna pretty much do a little review driving down this pathway that we always do hooligan stuff at. It is driving pretty smooth. It actually goes into the gears a lot better because I did have a kind of a little difficult time with first and second, and it's actually not that bad anymore. So I'm gonna give you guys a little pull right now. Downshift into first.
Not bad.
Actually pulls pretty good.
You want me to show you a pull? My pulls?
You want to pull? You want to drive this?
We'll do a turn. So I did a little pull. It's not bad. The only thing is, I think it has that one switch that mine has, the clutch switch, that gives it a little bit of lag, which we're gonna try to look for it on this car. You know where it's at, right? So we're gonna do that one day, unplug it, and see if it makes a difference like it did on mine. Cause we both do notice a little bit of lag when going into the gears, and we want to get rid of that. You want to get rid of that?
Yeah. Do another pull. Do another pull.
But we're gonna get him used to the car first before we go messing with his clutch or his switch. We're gonna do a little pull. We'll do a 20 pull. We'll do 15. Ready?
That's actually pretty fast, dude. I'm telling you, it pulls probably. I think I could beat my own G in this car.
It pulls okay, but
I think I could beat my own G in this car.
maybe not. You know, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take it to a track We're gonna take it to a track and we're gonna line the BMW, the E46,
Yeah.
and the G35 from a stop, and then we'll do a roll just on favor for Danny, because he doesn't, you know, he doesn't mess with the digs or from a stop. The G might even be my car.
Not right now.
Maybe not right now, but before probably, most likely.
Our overall review on the tranny fluid, it does shift pretty good. It shifts a lot crisper than it did before, just going into the gears. But I mean, we just wanted to do this little maintenance mod before we start going crazy with it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry we couldn't give you guys a real detailed review, you know, on how to put it inside the fill hole and all that stuff, but we will have the tutorial down in the description. We just don't have the proper lifting tools to show you and get under there, but hopefully one day we will and have our own shop to be able to work on our cars. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.